perfect heart. How to draw it? First, draw two equal circles. Draw V line, the white one. Then, draw the outline and erase the inside one. That's how you have a perfect heart shape. Now for make it more fun, I added a pair of wings and sacred circle. And draw a bit like exclamation mark for make it shiny. Heart always red color. So if you want to make the heart with different color, you can change it, the color become any color that you want it. And then for make it more 3D and pop, you can add it a shadow and highlight. We call it gradation. For make animation effect, I put a bit line like a moving, so the heart's like flying. And don't forget to put a bit shadow at the below of your heart. Thanks for watching.